Wow. I can't close my door. I think I broke my door. Oh wow. I broke my door. I'm in a really shitty situation. I broke my door and somehow I was able to shut it with brute force, and now I shut the door off. I was driving holding the door and I couldn't do it any longer because the panel was coming off because so much force, and so I was able to just get off and just slam it really hard. Now the door is shut completely, but the weather is not any better. The weather is crazy. It's raining crazy, and it's like pitch dark in the middle of this country road, and it's pouring rain and windy, and there are patches of fog and all kind of stuff. Everything is throwing at me like crazy, so I have to drive 1 hour in this road, and it's just, I have no idea. I am waiting until I get to my destination, and there is a river on the side of the road too. There is like, it's scaring the shit out of me, because everything looks the same. The road is black, the sides are black. It's just like pitch dark. Oh, fine. I see some. There's a cabin. That's pretty good. A motel. But I don't want to stop here. It's middle of nowhere. I'm just gonna go to the city. Oh, finally some street lights. Oh, it's getting better. Oh, all this time I was driving like pitch dark. I couldn't see crap, like nothing. I mean, these are the stories that you have when you, I don't think you guys can see me either because my phone is reflecting on my face, hopefully. These are the memories that you're gonna remember forever, that you are pretty much, in summary, like the wind pretty much broke my door, bent it off from the hinges, as if you're like hitting, like, it's, imagine the door is getting hit by something and pretty much bending the other way, and I had to kind of like force my door in, and in the same weather I'm driving with crazy winds, rain, all kind of weather is throwing at me. And right now it's pitch dark again. This is my high beams, and this is my cartel lights. I have actually now 50 minutes to go. So yeah, about 50 minutes to go of driving, and hopefully, wow, hopefully I'll get to my destination safe. Wish me luck. I got 39 minutes to go. This is the worst. The worst. You barely can see the lines. These are my regular lights, and these are my fog lights on top. Only good thing is it reflects all the lines and markers.